This is Allrecipes' top-rated recipe for zucchini bread. It's called Mom's Zucchini Bread. Not my mom's, but it's still good. I'll start by grating the zucchini. I'm gonna need about 2 cups, so it's gonna be about 2 to 3 zucchini. I've got my 2 cups grated. This is gonna add great moisture to that bread. Into a large bowl, I'm gonna sift together my dry ingredients. It's flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Oh, that cinnamon smells good. And now for the wet. I'll start by creaming together my eggs with oil and sugar. Going in with a good bit of vanilla. I'm gonna blend in my dry ingredients just until they're well incorporated. And then in with the zucchini and walnuts, and then just stir to combine. The moisture from the zucchini is gonna loosen up that batter. It'll make you think it's healthy. So you're just gonna pour your batter into 2 loaf pans that are greased and floured, or if you're lazy, the bacon spray. Are they even? These go into the oven 325 degrees for about 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. These smell so good. My favorite thing is when all that sugar creates a crust on the outside. It's my favorite part. It's gonna go good with some coffee. They need to cool in the pan for about 20 minutes, and then we'll take them out and let them finish cooling on the cooling rack. Perfect. A little butter, because it's not indulgent enough. I can tell why this is our top-rated zucchini bread recipe. It is perfectly sweet. It is so moist inside, and then that sugary crust is zucchini bread perfection. I'm not sure whose mom invented this recipe, but she did a damn good job. This is Allrecipes' top-rated zucchini bread recipe called Mom's Zucchini Bread. Not my mom, but somebody's mom is smart. Oh, my mom's smart too.